Small, I want all the money. Hooper, rolling through your city, I'm a hooper. You do me, I'ma do ya. Full time, we gon' see who's the loser. Amen, hallelujah. Rolling through your city, I'm a hooper. You do me, I'ma do ya.
Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how I installed this U-part wig from Amazon. I'm actually absolutely obsessed with this hair. It's so cute. I actually curled this last night like with some flexi rods, and yeah, it came out really cute. I really like this. But yeah, let's just get on into the video. So the first thing that I did was to blow dry my hair, and then I went ahead and moisturized by using this olive oil moisturizing cream. It is so good. I love it so much. And then I went ahead and started to part out my hair, as in how I would want my leave out to be. And I also parted out on the sides for like 2 anchor braids, and also put out piece for some edges. Did that on the other side. And I'm going to use the Blue Magic Indian hem to oil my hair, and then I'm going to go straight into cleaning both sides.
Try if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly.
And then I'm going to start parting out the rest of my hair so that I can braid the rest of it.
They try to say we done, pussy we can done. No, we can done, we can done, we cannot done, we can done.
And for my anchor braid at the side, I also made sure to like put it in the braid that's closest to it, and I did that for both sides.
Try if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly, girl, why breathe?
And this is the wig I'll be using. It's linked in my description box. It was a body wave 22-inch 150 density U-part wig. I really liked it. It was soft. I like the curl pattern too. It was cute. It was giving. But for this little lace part that was in the middle, I just cut it out completely because I don't need it. So yeah, and then you just throw the wig on. Like, it has some clips on the inside of it, so you know, putting it on would have been easier, and it would have secure with the clips them.
Try if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly, girl, why breathe?
So now I'm gonna take out my leave out and just see how it stay, if everything match. Only thing I do recommend is taking out more hair. Like, you need more leave out. No matter how much you think you put, you need more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this mousse to just do my edges.
Brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly, girl, why be? Why be, why be, why be? Disrespect, we hear chat, I go be. They try to say we done, pussy we can done. No, we can done, we can done, we cannot done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done. We cannot, we cannot done. Try if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see. Bad man likes calling me from unruly, girl, why be? my legs calling me from unruly. Girl, why be? Disrespect we and chat I go be.
Okay, so now I'm showing you guys how I achieved the curled look that you saw in the beginning with some water, some mousse, and some flexi rods. So all I did was just put the water on my hair, put the mousse, and then use the flexi rod and curl my hair. That's what I did. And then I did the same thing for my leave out as well. And I will also recommend leaving in the flexi rod for about like 2 days, or just use a blow dryer when you finish, because this does take really long to dry. But it's worth it because it was cute. Yeah. And here's the finished look. Like, we really have to use because it was so cute, and the curls lasted probably like 2-3 days after. So I really like that. And yeah, that's on period. It was cute. It was giving, right? Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.